on? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. Today is an exciting day. You want to tell them what we're going to do?
Today we're going to get this frame pressure washed, go ahead and get it cleaned up, and then we're going to sandblast it, get it all stripped down and ready for paint. We're going to do it ourselves. I know we said we're going to send it off, but I just acquired a sandblaster, so I figure I might as well do it myself. And
the time has come. We're going to see what this frame has to offer.
Ready to start building it back up. And we got some extra help today. I think JT's coming over. He's got a new toy we're going to take a look at, so we'll take a look at that thing too. Hey, this thing's pretty cool.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I've been in a video. We'll start getting back into them. Been very busy, got a lot of projects going on, and we're getting wrapped up. But as you well, I don't know if y'all know, but we got an auto salvage yard also, and then I also buy and sell, and we buy and sell classic cars and trucks and stuff on the side. And this is one I just bought a few weeks ago. It's a 1950 Chevrolet. It's pretty much, I mean, I guess you'd say full custom. It's got a different frame underneath it, LS swap. It's got a 4L60 transmission. As you can see, the big wheels and tires. And, it's a pretty cool truck, but we'll be offering it up for sale here in the next couple of weeks. We've got to do a few things to it, and other than that, we'll try to get back in the videos and start getting on the footage with Twink and Melissa. Like I said, it's a 1950 Chevrolet 5-window, but it's full custom. It's got on the back, it's got 22-inch wheels with 335 22-inch tires on it. They're huge. Truck's a funny thing, but it's a Ford silver, like a graphite silver color. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. Like I said, it's got the LS swap with the 4L60 transmission. The truck's really cool. It drives down the road great. I mean, this is a good driving truck. It definitely gets some attention. But yeah, we're gonna list it for sale here in the next couple of weeks. We got to do a little final touches to it, and touch a few spots up on it, and this truck I'm hoping we'll get decent money out of this one. These 5-windows are getting harder and harder to find that are solid like this one. I bought this truck out of Texas, and like I said, we got it a couple of weeks ago. But the insides, I think that's where it's lacking. We're thinking about, y'all put it in the comments below, but I think we're thinking about tearing all this stuff out and putting like a blood red interior in it, have the seats covered in like a bright red leather, and I think it'll bring out this interior big time. Red carpet, put the red dash in it, red door panels, red headliner, put some kind of custom center console in it. I think it'll definitely bring the value up on the truck. The outside's done right, so the inside's kind of holding it up a little bit, but that's our next job. We're going to tackle the interior and get it set back in there, and then the truck will be up for sale. All right, guys, I figured y'all like to see the truck. I thought it was pretty cool. We thought it was pretty cool for sure. But I'm going to go back there and see if Twink needs a hand with this frame, getting it pressure washed and getting it sandblasted so we can get it painted. All right, guys, Twink's inside the car dealership. I don't know if y'all know, but we are a licensed used car dealer in Georgia, so that's why he's always got the gloves on, not getting his hands dirty when he's working on the bikes and stuff, in case a customer comes in. But he's inside selling a car right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get this frame squirted down. I got some purple powder. We're going to let it sit here and soak down and get this grease and stuff off of it before we actually sandblast it. So hopefully it'll come cleaner, you know what I mean? All right, we're gonna see what happens. We've sprayed it down, let it soak for 2 or 3 hours with this purple powder on it. We're gonna blast it off and see what it does. It may or may not do much, I don't know. It's pretty it's pretty crispy on there, but it's got to help. So we'll see what happens. And like I said, we'll get the Sandblaster out after this. So here we go. Purple Power actually did a lot to this frame, like letting it soak for 2 or 3 hours. The frame's really not in that bad a shape. Had a lot of grease and oil on it, I guess from that hot rod motor. Maybe had some oil leaks or something, but it actually won't take a whole lot of prepping to get it ready to paint and powder coat. So pretty pleased with what the Purple Power did.
All right, so this is my first time using it. My good buddy Carl gave me this, so thanks, Carl. We're just gonna wing it. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna try to figure it out as I go along. Y'all, we're at a good stopping point right now. We'll go ahead and finish this up. We actually just ran out of sand. So we'll finish this up on the next one and go ahead and get it painted. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much.